Alright, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing a couple things to the IS. We're gonna start by doing a carbon wrap on the roof. I think it'll look a lot better than the red roof. I think it'll match with the sunroof and everything. Plus I do plan on getting it tinted soon. But yeah, we're gonna be doing this carbon wrap. It looks pretty good. We did it on my cousin's BMW, if y'all haven't seen that already. But yeah, we're gonna get head started. I already prepped everything. Surface is smooth. Smooth as it can be, to be honest. I don't really care too much, but yeah, prepped it with alcohol, wiped it down. It's clean, it's ready to go. Sunroof's open, so we get nice clean tucks. So yeah, we're gonna get started and wrapping the roof, and then we'll get started to doing the other stuff later in this video, which will be installing Apple CarPlay into the IS, because currently we have just stock sound system, and honestly I can't even listen to my music, so that's not really good. But alright, so we about to get started. We got the carbon laid, and then now just start wrapping. Hopefully you guys enjoy that time lapse, but we got the wrap all laid down. We're gonna go ahead and start cutting out the excess material and start tucking. That way we can finish up this project right here. And I actually think that my dash kit for the Apple CarPlay, it just came in. I just heard Amazon outside, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on that after this. Hopefully I have everything that I need to get that done. I have the doubled in, and I have a underseat subwoofer, just how we did the Civic. So we're gonna go ahead and get the IS right too. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting and tucking this wrap and get it all finished up, and then yeah, I'll show you guys after we finish. But man, this carbon looks it looks pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we finished the roof. This how it came out. Not too bad, not too bad, you know. At home wrap job, not a professional. I need to get these trims, I need to get them ASAP. But yeah, it came out pretty good. So we moved on. We moved on to the next project. I started sanding down the headlights. They're pretty bad. They had a bunch of red overspray as well, like the rest of the freaking car has. A bunch of red overspray. So yeah, we got them sanded down. I hit it with 600 grit. And then I hit it with 800 grit and then 1000 grit. Wiped it with alcohol. I can get deeper into it, but honestly, I'm gonna end up replacing these anyway. This is like a temporary fix, just so the car looks a little bit better. And then, so I was gonna buff them, but I cut deeper into the clear coat. That way I can just throw a clear on them, which is how this one came out. So that's the after. Y'all let me know what you think. Not bad, right? Not too bad. I don't think so. So yeah, I'm just using honestly what I got in the house. I would use a 2K clear, but this is all I got. This Rust-Oleum gloss clear. I mean, it'll work for now. It don't gotta be perfect, you know. This car don't gotta be perfect. Nothing's perfect. We'll be alright. So just a light coat, overlapping the coats. Boom. Damn, that shit shined up really quickly. Let that dry. Hopefully it doesn't run. I doubt it. If not, we'll just wet sand it again, but it'll be fine. Boom. What's good, guys? So it's the next morning. We actually started working on this rear lip. Just a regular Is300 rear lip. I'm running the same one on the Civic, but I got this little plastic welding kit, and previous owner put like a bunch of holes throughout the whole thing when it wasn't necessary. You just gotta do some L brackets on the bottom. So I went ahead and just plastic welded them closed. That way I could just add a little bit of bond on the outside. I'm gonna leave the edge one. I don't really mind that one. Give it some extra support. Actually, I might cover it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I might just cover it. Might as well. But y'all can see the outside right here. That's the cover. But all this paint's flaking. But on the parts I did plastic weld, I took off the paint. So I'm end up pressuring washing the paint off anyways. It's all good. So Yeah, that's what we up to this morning. Let me know if y'all ever done something like this. This is my second time using this plastic welder. Honestly, it's not too bad. It's pretty cool to be able to, you know, fix stuff like that. I'm gonna be using it. Other than that, where we left off last night, we did do the headlights. They don't look too bad. They could have been better, which I might actually sand them again. I only did like 2 coats of clear. It'll be fine. I'll just sand it off again. So we're gonna be installing this new head unit that Atoto sent to me. Shout out to them supporting another build. I'm currently running this underseat subwoofer in the Civic as well, and honestly, more than satisfied. They also sent me I already opened it. I wanted to see what it looked like, but they sent me out a double din stereo for the Is300. I'll put what series this is. If y'all want to cop. But yeah, double din stereo. I also got the Is300 dash kit off of Amazon. Yeah, so currently in the Is, we just have the stock, you know, head unit. Doesn't really work that well. Previous owner has like an aux adapter, but it doesn't even work. As y'all know, when those aux cables go bad, you gotta turn them every which way for them to work, and that's super annoying. So the head unit is gonna definitely look a lot better in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start disassembling this. I got the whole head unit removed. There's a booth car aux adapter bro had in here. Throw that shit away. Yeah, we got the head unit off. Now I'm looking at the wiring, which fortunately I do need an adapter harness, obviously, right? But I didn't get one. So I went to O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Walmart, like 4 different ones to see if I could find one, but I couldn't find one. So hopefully, I just ordered it right now, and I guess like the most common thing that people do, I ordered this factory amp bypass harness. So it just basically bypasses the factory amp that comes with this car. So that comes in tomorrow. That way I can finish it, which is kind of annoying. But for now, I'm probably just going to set up the double din regardless. That has nothing to do with this. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this bottom piece. Open up the dash kit that I also got. Metra. So boom. And then just get it mounted up and clean it up. Pretty sure I just got to change up these bottom brackets. While that's just sitting, while we get that situated, we're gonna go ahead and unmount this bracket. I believe I can just take the ones that came with the dash kit and just replace it. Let's go ahead and open the actual double in itself. Yeah, I've never had a double din before. This is pretty nice. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like a little tablet. It's pretty sick. So this came. Hopefully this fits in here how it's supposed to. The actual double din did come with its own frame as well, so should have no issues installing this. Hopefully. Hey Kudo, turn it up. We got the radio all mocked up now with the climate control. Next step, obviously disconnect the battery if you're dealing with any electronics. You don't want to accidentally fry something. Yeah, so we ended up getting the amp out. Looks just like this. Sat up here. So that new harness that I was saying is gonna connect just straight to here. I'm gonna route it underneath. Glove box, straight to here. Splice it straight into the aftermarket head unit harness, and then we should be good. So the bypass harness finally came in. I'm just gonna go ahead and wire it up to the head unit harness, and then yeah, we should be good to go. Plug everything back in, clean up the car, put all the interior pieces back in. Super simple. On the harness, it gives you a little diagram. It is not by color, it's different. So just gonna follow this, connect it to the harness, and it should be super simple. It's a whole nother day. I ended up finishing up the head unit, subs all wired in. Check that out. Give you guys a better walk around after. Put everything back together basically. But now we're on a different project. I ain't gonna lie. As y'all seen the last video, I did the tie rods, the lower control arms, and then I got an alignment right after. The homie Adrian aligned me. And low-key it was raining today, so I was low-key sliding the IS, I ain't gonna lie. After that day, it started to make like a weird squeak from this side, and I didn't replace these rear ward. They're called rear ward arms or whatever. So I ordered some new ones because I already knew what it was. So this is a side that was making noise, and this thing is just chopped. So yeah, it's completely broken. So we got the replacements, both sides. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my alignment, to be honest, because what I've noticed with this arm is it basically stabilizes this whole, you know, suspension setup, the whole thing basically. You know, the lower control arm does a lot too, and the sway bar, but this is like a elbow, if that makes sense, you know. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw these in, and then I'll show you guys once I pull the car. I'll show you guys. So we got the IS in the back. This thing looking a little bit better. I mean, I got this bumper from the homie Wentz. Needs body work. The whole car's gonna start getting sent to, so y'all make sure y'all tap in and make sure y'all subscribe because a lot are coming for this car. But yeah, we got the dash kit in and the doubled in from Atoto. Shout out to them. We are filming on the iPhone because I didn't bring my camera, but it's all good. Just something light to close out the video real quick. But yeah, other than that, super dope. Like I said, I mounted the bass knob right here on the side. Super subtle little, you know, system. Better than the stock, you know. I can find this in my music, but yeah, it came out super clean. Let me know how y'all fuck with it. But yeah, the IS still looking kind of bucketish. I took off the stock little wing. It had a third brake light, but they sprayed over it for some fucking reason. But car, this is how the car is sitting right now. Not the best. I'm gonna be doing a video on clear tail soon, so make sure y'all tap in for that. What color should we wrap this car? Let me know in the comments if y'all fucking with the IS. Trust me, they got a lot of potential. Just like anything else, the Civic was once in this stage too, so y'all just, you know, stay tuned. Definitely need to go lower, but for some reason these coils are maxed out, so we definitely gonna be getting some new coils soon. But y'all stay tuned. Also, Civic's coming back. I mean, it's never left, but got it running, got it, you know, shifting enough to bring it into the garage. And we will be starting the turbo soon, real soon. Probably in like the next couple videos. I'm gonna start taking that shit apart already, so I know you guys are excited for that. I'm gonna start being a little bit more consistent, stop dropping, you know, a couple videos. But yeah, that's how the roof came out. You know, came out pretty good. Just subtle changes, you know. The roof's already wrapped, but I'm gonna start picked up sandpaper yesterday. Gonna start doing the body work on this car already. Need to plug these holes from the wing. Honestly, I didn't really like that stock wing that it has, so I'd rather the no wing look. But we're gonna do the clear tails, prep it for wrap. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it. And I had a front lip already, and I started a little video of how I had the car sitting, but it flew off on the freeway, so it's all good. Regardless, I'm gonna find another front lip or a whole different front bumper. But shit, hope y'all enjoyed that video. We gonna have a bunch more content coming. Civic turbo build. I know I've been saying it, bro. I've been hella lagging on that, but it's coming. So appreciate y'all.